Hi, thanks for watching. Edward here. I just want to let you know that I'm updating the plugin that I created about a couple of months ago. This is a viral rebrandable team plugin system. Okay, this will allow you to create set up a blog, a WordPress blog that you may or may not have, even if you don't have a WordPress site or if you don't have a blog at all. You can set up a WordPress blog in a matter of minutes, and then what this plugin will do is it'll allow you to install it instantly. In a matter of minutes, you'll be able to start building your own custom team, viral team system for your entire team. So, okay, my name is Edward Key, and I'm focused on helping people make money online. Okay, I'm into affiliate marketing, and most people who follow me are also into affiliate marketing as well. We run our own systems. Some of us run systems, some of us don't. Some of them are newbies, and they're looking to generate income online, and they are promoting affiliate programs, or they're joining certain companies that allow them to generate some income by promoting their links. Okay, that's what we do here. Now, what this system will allow you to do is, let's say you have a team, you're starting to build up a team, okay, and you want to create a training site, for example, or you might even want to create some kind of company-wide value for your entire company that you're promoting. So let's say you joined a company. It could be any company, like My Paying Ads, the ads team. It could be, I don't know, Powerline System, FutureNet, Skinny Body Care, you name it. It could be any company that you've joined. Okay, and let's say you want to set up a team training site. Okay, so you set up a WordPress blog, you start writing some content out, and all the links to that content are potentially rebrandable. Okay, so normally with a static blog, here's an example of a blog that I created for Skinny Body Care. This is a company that I joined about 8 months ago, and as you can see, it's a standard blog, and you got some links going out to the Skinny Body Care website. Okay, these are my affiliate links. So when traffic comes in here, they get interested in Skinny Body Care, they click out and they go to they essentially join Skinny Body Care under me in my using my link. Okay, normally that's what happens with a blog. Okay, normally with a blog you create the content yourself as the blog owner, and all the links in there will credit you, only you. But what happens if you start building a team? Okay, what happens if your downline asks you, okay, how do I create a blog like that, or how do I start marketing my business? Okay, so when I joined a company about 2 years ago, I remember my upline had already created a similar sort of training blog like this. It had videos on there, video trainings, it had some downloads, it had some webinar schedules, events, and all kinds of things. It was a very powerful blog, but it was really his blog. It was obviously his blog. It had some links going out, and it would credit him. He was promoting his traffic strategies, and there were some affiliate links, and it would credit him. But what if you create exactly the same kind of blog for your team? Okay, but all the links, instead of crediting you as the blog owner, they would credit other people. They would credit the people in their team automatically. And the reason why it was able to do that is because you can actually, when you install the plugin, your blog becomes kind of an affiliate website in itself, and you just simply put in a unique username at the end there, and you'll be able to promote the site. Your team will be able to promote the site and get credit when people join and click in from the links in the websites, okay, throughout the pages. Okay, so if there's a call to action, for example, it'll credit that individual. If you set up a product page, success stories, testimonials, maybe a training page, or maybe even a webinar page, maybe a webinar recording page, or maybe it could be a live webinar where you embed the live YouTube broadcast. If you're doing a Google Hangout, for example, you can actually create a single page and then let your team come there every single week. You could do a weekly webinar, for example. You could do all that. You could potentially do all that with a system like this. Okay, it's very easy to set up, and I'm going to be releasing this plugin. But the new thing about this plugin, it allows you to set up and rebrand as many companies, whatever companies you're promoting, but as many as you like. The old plugin that we had already will only allow you to rebrand only one company. Okay, but this new plugin will allow you to rebrand and multiple companies, as many companies as you're in. It could be traffic strategies, some tools. anything with an affiliate program, and you want to allow your team to rebrand it and promote that, then you can add that into your own blog. It's very easy. All you have to do is, when you're the blog owner, if you own the WordPress site yourself and you install the plugin, you can just add new companies. Just put in a new company there, put in like whatever company name, FutureNet or whatever, any company you want to put in there, and put in your unique ID. This is for the default. Okay, so if people don't use, if people access your blog from the main base URL for whatever reason, this will be the default. So you'll always get the credit because you're the owner of the blog. However, if they put their own unique user ID at the end, which they'll be able to create on the front end, then they get the credit for and all the links will update and credit them. Okay, so you can add multiple programs, and you can make a full-blown team website, training, product page, product site, webinar, whatever you want to do. So it's your team site. Anything, all the content is your content. You write it out as you would normally do with a typical blog, put in some call to actions, and all the links will just credit your team. So you're going to become a person of value. You're going to become the stage walker, and in fact, you'll become. Let's say you do this for one company, and let's say you say, okay, I got a special gift. You go to the company website. You go to the company. Official Facebook page, if they have a Facebook page. Most companies nowadays have an official Facebook page. Just tell them you've written out a blog post, and then people will love it because it looks clean. I wouldn't make it spammy. I would make it really clean, and just promote your blog within your company, and then when they come to your blog, they're going to want to use it because they can share it out and get credit. So, this has a lot of potential, and then they might join in under you in other programs that you're promoting within your blog, sort of thing. So it's very powerful. Anyway, thanks for watching, and it hasn't released yet, so I'll keep you updated. And when we release this plugin, probably within today or tomorrow, maybe in a few days, I'll just let you know. And it's not going to be free. Okay, let me just say that it's not going to be free. I'll make the other one will be free. I'll keep that free, but this is going to be a paid one. There's not going to be any links at the bottom. It's not going to have any ads in there. It's just going to be it's your plugin. If you pay for it, it's yours. Okay, but I won't be able to accept PayPal because I don't use PayPal at the moment. But I could use Bitcoin. If you want to send me some Bitcoin, I'll tell you the price. We'll negotiate. We'll talk. Even if you join my team, I can't promise I can make it free. That's for sure. I mean, I put in a lot of work into this, and as an upline, I'm not required to be making plugins for my team just for free. So understand that I'm going to be charging for this, but it's going to be a very reasonable fee. I'm not going to be charging that much for it, but I can accept Pazer, I can accept Bitcoin, yeah. Anyway, I look forward to releasing this in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.